Optional but not empty field in WTForms. The optional validator allows for both empty values and if the value is not present, from the docs. Class WTForms.validators.optional strip _ whitespace equals true, allows empty input and stops the validation chain from continuing. If input is empty, also removes prior errors, such as processing errors, from the field. I have some additional validators on a field, and I would like if those validators ran even if the input is an empty string. The built-in optional validator makes the rest of the validators skipped if the input was an empty string. Is there a built-in or any other way to achieve this? Edit, more specifics about my use case. I am using this form to validate put requests. Let's say I have user entities with usernames as it and middle names as an optional field. Then the validator for the fields would look something like. So I would allow for put requests that does not have a username or middle name parameter, and those would leave the fields untouched. However, when the parameter is present and is an empty string, I would like the username field validation fail because of the length validator, but I would allow the middle name field to be set to the empty string. From another perspective, I would like to distinguish non-present parameters and empty string parameters.
I took a look at the source of the optional validator. As you can see in a notself.string_check_field.raw_data0, empty strings are explicitly considered here. I wonder what would happen if I sent two values like a equals foo and a equals and b equals bar. Anyway, the quick solution for me was to implement a new validator.
If you want to see more, please suggest subscribing.